Good morning. Here we are. We're at the Gottard Pass and we've just parked up. As you can see, it's beautiful, people. Let's walk the line of boars. Boars as far as the eye can see. Red ones, white ones, bluish ones, which I can't pronounce. Acapulco blue. There you go. Smashed it. And then they're common. There's so many of those Acapulco blues. Here we go. Just a few cars. All different. 5000 SEs, LP 400s, low bodies, Quattro Volvole, about to be run over probably. Gold wheels, silver wheels, white wheels, you name it. There's Daisy. Swiss plates, English plates, French plates, our good European friends. My old car, I used to own this one. 5000S, black on black, right hand. Very nice. And still we go. Still there's so many. Beautiful. Look at this baby, that white leather. Oh, yes, please. And then a porker pig. But this is okay because these are our official photographers and they are doing an amazing job. And then we got Miss Purple, the pinstripe or princess. I love this car. People hate it, but I love it. Look at it, it's ridiculous. There's the car I couldn't remember, but it's an Istera. Acapulco blue, got it right. And then finally, here we go. The car with no number plates. There you, naughty. Why have you got no number plates, you naughty boy? Who cares? You won't get caught for speeding.
I'm going to